Hello, Paul here from UMD Automotive. So I was trying to show you what I found. After trying all this stuff, it didn't work at all. The globe didn't work. It kept cutting out every time I actually tried to put the indicator on. It didn't work. Even though I fixed everything, it still didn't work because the actual what I found is was a voltage drop from the actual control module. That actually it's called a multi-function control module on the Mercedes-Benz. That actually runs the wiring from the front to the rear. It goes to it. But I think the actual control module is probably shorted out or something. That's why the voltage dropped down and kept going. Even though I put a new socket and a new holder and a new wiring harness, it still didn't work. Still didn't work at all. So I kept getting up the. Sorry, I kept getting the same signal here, same display saying the actual indicator is faulty. So now it's all good now. So because I had to put an LED there. I had to put an LED globe in here, not a normal globe, a white one, because LED globes have a small current draw to actually trick the computer to make it to stay on all the time. So that's all we can do at the moment to save money. But otherwise you gotta buy a new multi-function control module. So if you have a problem, you can actually you have a problem with the actual current draw, you can always put a LED globe to make it work. All right, as long as the signal goes away and everything's fine. Alright, thanks for watching and please subscribe.